And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Las Vegas. Local time is 10:54. Please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Our pilots will turn off the fasten seatbelts now while we are safely parked at the gate. Please be cautious opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. If your phone is flush, you can take it out of the airplane mode at this time, but please keep all other items stowed until we reach the gate. For information about connecting flights, please check the television monitors inside of the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app on your smartphone. Alaska Airlines also offers a bag service guarantee. Your checked bags will be at the carousel within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate. In the unlikely event that they aren't, please see a customer service agent for miles for a discount off your next flight. Ladies and gentlemen, we sincerely apologize for the delayed start in San Francisco, but we hope we got you here safely. On behalf of your two amazing pilots up front and your three amazing San Francisco-based flight attendants, it's been a privilege to serve you. And you can always find us at alaskaair.com. And thank you so much for flying with Alaska Airlines, and we hope to see you soon.